In 1997, deep in the Pacific Ocean, scientists detected a sound so powerful it was heard over 5,000 kilometers away. They called it the Bloop. At first, some believed it could be a massive, unknown sea creature, bigger than a blue whale. The sound didn't match anything ever recorded. But years later, scientists traced it back, not to a monster, but to cracking ice in Antarctica. Still, the ocean is 95% unexplored. So the real question is, what else is still down there?
Subscribe now.